Even though she has the braids on, I always make sure to do a pre-poo on her hair. And on this day, I was doing the aloe vera pre-poo. You can watch the full video on our channel. After doing the pre-poo, I will continue with her regular wash day routine, and I will use this shampoo because this shampoo has apple cider vinegar, which is good to really take out all the buildup. So I will put it on the scalp and making sure that her scalp has all the shampoo, and I will massage her scalp. This is also an opportunity for me to massage her scalp. As you can see, I'm focusing first on the scalp because I want the scalp to be really clean because she had this braid for so long. Then I will put all over her hair. After putting shampoo all over her hair, I'm going to rinse her hair thoroughly. Because she has braids, I have to really make sure that all the shampoo is out of her hair. So I'm really making sure to put a lot of water on her hair. Now that her hair is all rinsed up, I'm gonna grab my TGI and Deep Hair Mask Conditioner and I'm gonna put it on her hair. I'm not focusing really on putting it on her scalp. This is really to make sure that her ends have this, her hair has this, so I'm gonna put it all over her hair. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button and share this video with someone that you know, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Sometimes when I watch the videos over, I see that I put a lot of product on her hair, but I know that leave-in conditioner is really good and I have to put a lot, so I don't mind. Now I'm going to cover her hair with a plastic bag and let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. After the 30 minutes, we are going to rinse her hair out, and this is the time when I let really the water run all over her hair. At the end, I actually let her shower with the water running all over her hair. Let me know in the comment below how you treat your hair when you got braids on. I know that some people just put aloe vera on their scalp or just spray water on the scalp and then that's it. Let me know in the comment below how do you take care of your hair when you have braids on. Now that her hair is all washed up and she showered, I'm going to put a leave-in conditioner on her hair. And I will be mixing the leave-in conditioner with some water. It makes it easy for me to apply on her hair because this leave-in conditioner is creamy and I don't want the cream to just sit on her hair, especially that she had braids. So I mix it with a little bit of water and then spray all over her hair. Next, I'm going to grab some oil, and for today I'm going to be using my rosemary oil, and I'm just going to be putting it all over her hair just to make sure to seal in all the moist that her hair just received. After putting oil all over her hair, I'm going to cover her hair with a satin scrub and she's ready for bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that should know that we enjoyed this video. And why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.